The 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery is a remarkable piece of engineering that combines power, convenience, and portability. Designed for urban commuters, adventure seekers, and weekend riders alike, this electric bike provides an exhilarating riding experience, especially for those who crave speed and versatility. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its impressive 1000W motor, which offers robust acceleration and the ability to reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour. This powerful motor ensures that even the steepest hills are no match for the bike, making it an excellent choice for those living in hilly terrains or for riders who enjoy a more exhilarating ride. The bike's responsiveness is commendable. The acceleration feels smooth and controlled, allowing riders to confidently navigate through city streets or country trails. The bike is equipped with a 48V 20AH large removable battery, which is a game-changer for long-distance riders. With a full charge, this battery can provide a range of approximately 40 to 60 miles, depending on rider weight, terrain, and riding style. The ability to remove the battery for charging is another significant advantage, as it allows users to charge the battery indoors without having to lug the entire bike inside. The battery itself is lightweight yet powerful, and it can be recharged in about 6 to 8 hours, making it convenient for daily use. In terms of design, the folding mechanism is exceptionally user-friendly. The bike folds down quickly and compactly, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a car or on public transport. This feature is particularly appealing to urban dwellers who might have limited storage options. Despite the folding capability, the bike maintains a sturdy frame that can support riders weighing up to 300 pounds. The construction quality feels solid, and the bike does not waver or creak even at high speeds. The bike's suspension system, which includes front forks and a rear spring shock, provides a comfortable riding experience, absorbing bumps and shocks from uneven terrains. This makes it suitable for both city commuting and light off-road adventures. The wider tires also contribute to enhanced stability and control, ensuring the rider feels secure while navigating through various conditions. Braking performance is critical for an electric bike, and this model does not disappoint. It features both front and rear disc brakes, which offer reliable stopping power. Whether you're riding downhill or need to make a quick stop, the brakes respond promptly, instilling confidence in the rider. Additionally, the bike is equipped with front and rear LED lights, which enhance visibility during low-light conditions. This safety feature is crucial for those who may ride during dawn or dusk. The handlebars are adjustable, allowing riders of varying heights to find a comfortable riding position. The bike also comes with a digital display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and riding mode. The display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and the controls are intuitive, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. However, there are a few areas where the bike could see improvements. While the bike excels on flat surfaces and downhill rides, the weight of the bike, approximately 60 to 70 pounds, can make it somewhat cumbersome to pedal without the electric assist, especially for longer distances. This is something to consider if you plan to use the bike solely as a conventional bicycle. Additionally, while the bike is equipped with some level of water resistance, it's advisable to avoid heavy rain to preserve the electronic components. Another potential downside is the price point. While the features and performance justify the investment for many riders, it may be on the higher end for those who are new to electric bikes or are looking for a more basic model. However, considering its robust features, powerful motor, and long-range battery, many will find the price to be a worthy investment in their mobility. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is a superb option for anyone seeking a powerful, portable, and reliable electric bike. Its impressive speed, long